Today in this video we will discuss about a new topic, that is climate and adaptation. In the previous video we have already learned about the climate. Now we will learn about adaptation. So what is an adaptation? The ability of an organism to develop certain features which improve the chances of its survival in the environment in which they live is known as adaptation. So this is the definition of adaptation. I am repeating it again. Note it down that the ability of an organism to develop certain features which improve the chances of its survival in the environment in which they live is known as adaptation. Animals are adapted to survive in the condition in which they live. In other words, an adaptation is a trait of an organism that has been favored by natural selection. Adaptations are mainly of three types: structural adaptation, behavioral adaptation, and physiological adaptation. So what is structural adaptation? The adaptation of spatial body part of an organism that help it to survive in its natural habitat, like example skin color, shape, body covering included under the structural adaptation. The second is the behavioral adaptation, the adaptation of spatial way in a particular organism that help it to survive in its natural habitat. It usually occur in response to some external stimuli. Like example, frog and bear undergoes the hibernation or winter sleeping during the hard winter season. The third and the last one is the physiological adaptation, the adaptation of body system present in an organism that allow it to perform the certain biochemical reaction. Like example, warm-blooded animals are able to keep the constant body temperature include under the physiological adaptation. Animals that live in a very cold or hot climate must possess special feature to protect themselves against extreme cold or hot climate. The features and habit that help an animal to adapt to their surrounding are a result of the process of evolution. According to their habitat, animals adapt themselves. These animals may be grouped as the polar region and the tropical rainforest animals. Some well-known countries that belong to the polar region are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and the Siberian region of Russia. And the countries who belong to tropical rainforest are India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria. These are the example of the polar region and the tropical rainforest region. So first we will discuss about the polar region. The polar region, as the name suggested, are situated near the pole, that is North Pole and South Pole. The countries that belong to the polar region are Canada, Greenland, as I mentioned earlier. Polar region shows extremely colder climate which is covered with snow and remain cold for most part of the year. In this region, the sun does not set for 6 months or even does not rise for other 6 months. The temperature goes down below minus 37 degrees centigrade during winters in the polar region. The ground remains frozen most of the year and water becomes available only during the short summer when the snow melts. Animals living in this region are adapted in different way to cope with the condition of temperature, light and moisture, and also according to the availability of the food in that region. Polar bear and penguins are the animals that live in polar region. Beside this, whales, seals are the other animals are also found in the polar region. And some fishes like seals, animals like foxes, reindeers and birds also live in the polar region. Here first we will discuss about the polar bears. Polar bear is a large and white bear that live in the North Polar region of the earth. The polar bear mainly feed on fishes and seal and can survive in the extremely cold climate of the polar region. Polar bear possesses some special features. The first one is their body is covered by a thick coat of white fur. It helps them to blend with their surrounding snow with background and cannot be noticed by their predators. Beneath the fur is a thick coat of fat which insulate the body from the cold and keep the bear warm. The second point is a polar bear is a good swimmer which has wide and large paws that help it to swim properly. These paws also help the bear to walk on snow easily. The third point is they have a strong sense of smell so that they can locate their prey easily. They also possess small ears to keep the body surface area to the minimum and reduce the heat loss from the body. The fourth and the last feature of polar bear is that the thick layer of fat beneath the skin also store food in winter, which food help them to provide energy. This stored food also helps the mother polar bear to survive in the winter when they undergo hibernation beneath the snow with their newborn cubs. So this is all about the adaptation of a polar bear. That's all for today's video. Thank you.